Now there have another items in properties, this known as match properties. So what is actually match properties? Match properties means if you want to match one layer with another layer, or you want to change a layer with another layer without changing here, then you can do that. So how? Simply click here, match properties, then select the source object. I mean, as per which layer you want to change your data, or you want to change your new elements layer. Suppose as per that layer, I want to change that layer. I'll click here. Just see at which layer you will click, it will change. Or if you select like that, everything will be changed. Just see, if you select like that, every layer will change as like as door layer. Then enter. So if you click here now, just see this layer have changed to door, but that was different, but now it's have changed. So this is the way to use your match properties also in properties box.